Hi, everyone. We're on week 3. We have our ducks from last week that are doing great. They're growing, they're getting big. The chicken eggs are going to be hatching tomorrow. 2 of them already have the little peck hole that the chicken starts, and then they work their way around the shell before they hatch. So by morning, we should have a couple chickens. This week, we're going to learn about the butterfly life cycle. So I have this book that I'm going to read with you, and then the next few slides go through the life cycle of the butterfly. Normally we do butterflies in the classroom. I get eggs and little teeny tiny caterpillars, and they grow and they eat milkweed and they get really big. They get to be about this big. And then we get to watch them go through their entire life cycle and turn into a butterfly. So that's really fun. But this time we're just going to be able to do it on video, and we'll look at pictures and watch other videos. Butterfly life cycle. All about butterflies. Look, it's a butterfly. This book will tell you about the lives of these beautiful bugs. Monarch butterfly, ant, grasshopper, ladybug. Butterflies are insects. They have 6 legs, just like ants, grasshoppers, and ladybugs. The parts of a butterfly. They have a wing on each side. It's actually 2 wings on each side. Their eyes are right here, and then these are their antennas. Butterflies have 4 wings. Each wing is covered with thousands of tiny scales. The scales give butterfly wings their bright colors. Butterflies drink their meals through a thin tube called a proboscis. Their favorite meal is nectar, which they suck up from flowers. Butterflies come in all different colors. Some have spots, some have stripes, some seem like they have spotted wings. There are 17,500 different kinds of butterflies. How do you think these ones got their name? This one is a tiger butterfly, an 89 butterfly, owl butterfly, peacock butterfly, emerald butterfly, zebra swallowtail butterfly, and glasswing butterfly. But butterflies do not begin their lives looking this way. Take a peek at the life cycle of a monarch, which is what we have in Michigan, to see how they grow and change. Some butterflies lay more than 1,000 eggs during their lives. A female monarch lays an egg on a leaf. The egg is tiny. One egg is about the size of the period at the end of the sentence. So that little dot right there that you can hardly see. After a few days, the egg hatches. Out wiggles a hungry caterpillar. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then it starts munching on leaves. So monarch butterflies, they like to live on milkweed. And that's what they eat to get big. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The caterpillar keeps eating and growing and changing. It starts out small and white, but soon it becomes long and covered with colorful stripes. After about 2 weeks, the caterpillar takes a rest. It attaches to a twig or leaf and hangs upside down. Something amazing is about to happen. Monarch caterpillars also have 16 little legs. Chrysalis to butterfly. The caterpillar becomes a wrapped up package called a chrysalis. Inside the package, exciting changes are taking place. The chrysalis turns from green to clear. Presto, changeo, the caterpillar has become a butterfly. So this is how the chrysalis changes as it goes. The caterpillar hangs upside down and it turns into the chrysalis, and then it develops into the butterfly, and you can kind of see the wings inside of there. Guess what happens next? The butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis. Then it unfolds its wings, which are soft and damp. The brand new butterfly waits for the sun in its wings waits in the sun for its wings to dry. Then flutter, 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 away it flies. Monarchs flap their wings 5 to 12 times a second. Do you remember the 4 main steps in a monarch butterfly's life cycle? Take a look. Day 1, the female butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. 4 days, the caterpillar hatches and it grows and grows and grows. When we had caterpillars in our classroom, the caterpillars we got in the mail were about this big. They're teeny tiny, you could hardly see them. And right before they made their chrysalis, they were about that big. They got a lot bigger. 2 weeks later, the caterpillar becomes a chrysalis. And then after a month, the butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis. The life cycle of a monarch butterfly lasts for about 1 month. Monarchs travel in big groups called flocks. In fall, monarch butterflies do what birds do. They fly south for the winter. This is called migration. Some monarchs go to California and some go to Mexico. Along the way, they rest in trees. So this shows that they come from all these states up here and they all travel down either to Mexico or to California so they can stay in the warmer weather. Monarchs are poisonous to birds and other animals. Their bright wings say, "Don't eat me." In the early spring, the monarchs fly back north. The female lays an egg on a leaf, and then the butterfly life cycle will begin all over again. And then it says, can you name 3 parts of a butterfly? So try and do this, get a piece of paper and see if you can recall the 3 parts of the butterfly, any 3 that you can remember. Or can you share any facts about caterpillars? Anything you can remember about a caterpillar? And can you retell the 4 main parts of the butterfly's life cycle? So try and do that on a sheet of paper today, and then you can watch the next videos that have more pictures and more information for you. I hope you guys are doing good. Always remember that I miss you and I'm always thinking of you, and I hope you enjoy these videos. Bye.